everybody. This is Dean DeCosta, and today we're talking a new tool called Tobu. Tobu is like a resume database of sorts, maybe a mini CRM if you want to call it that. ATS. I'm not even sure what to categorize that, but here's what I like about it. So I am in the place where I can upload databases. So I'm going to upload. You can do a whole folder or file. Now, when you first get into it, I'm on the free plan. You're limited to 100 a pop, 1,000 a pop the first couple times, and after that they drop you down to 25 at a time, which is fine. I don't really care. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to upload. Now I've already done this, so I'm going to get right out of here. I'm going to go into this file. Now 25 at a time. So we're going to go ahead and look and see where we got. So we have these right here. Let's see. Is that about 25? It might be more. So let's find out. So I'm in here and I'm going to open. And it's told me there's 42 files. I can only do 25. No problem at all. So we're going to upload again. And we're going to go in here and we're going to pick about 25. What I always do is I just go to a place that's easy to remember, like the PDF. So Maria, we know Michelle Gartrell's next. So we're going to do that. That's probably less than 25. In fact, it was 19. And we're going to just let it upload and give it a second. And guess what? It's uploaded. That simple. And we're going to upload another. So I'm going to upload a second one just so you guys can see that it can be done. And we're going to go right back into the same file. We're going to go down to that PDF. And so we want to be on Michelle. There were 42 in total the first time. So that means we're already down that. So there's probably enough to do all of these. Let's see. Yep, 23. And there we go. And we're going to wait a minute or two for this, and bingo, we're done. Now, I'm not going to be done here because I want to get this whole folder done with. So I'm just going to go ahead and go into the PM one, see what we got. Nothing. Perfect. So that means we are good right here. I don't need to do anything else right now. So for now, we're going to get down. And we're going to go into where the looking for the resumes are. So here's the search database. We're going to get in here and let it open up. You're going to see I have 2417 in here. Let's see, it just successfully uploaded all those. You get to see everything here. Notifications galore. We're actually going to go into the notifications. You're going to notice all these ones have been uploaded. Some have been probably sent to be reviewed. So we're going to get back to our resume, do our resume quick search or search in the resume database. And here's how we can do it. We can do multiple searches. So I'm going to start with developer only because, developer is kind of one of the things I like to look for. And we're going to come down here and we actually do have a location. You could search for postal codes. You could search for cities. I'm going to pick Seattle, Washington. And we're going to go within 50 miles. And we're not going to worry about anything else right now because frankly, I'm just not worried about it. I just want to see what I got. So we got the word developer, 50 miles, and we're going to come up with, it says 0 of 0. Now that's interesting. So let's go back in and redo the search, and that's possible. We have 2,400 resumes in my box right now. So the odds on there being 0 isn't correct. So we're going to try this again. We're going to go ahead and try developer again. I might misspelled it. That's always possible. And instead of going to Seattle, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and try zip code. I'm going to try my own zip code, and I'm going to go within 50 miles again, and we're going to search, and we're going to see what happens here. There we go. We got quite a few of them. So we have 1,273 out of, so about half of the resumes I have in here are here. And it's pretty good. You get to see their name, what their title is. You get to see their email, the phone number, how many years experience, blah, 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 blah. You get to see how old the resume is, all of which is good stuff. This is for communication. And let's go in and actually see if we get the resume and what it looks like. And we get the thing broken down, and there's the executive summary, which is basically his experience. There's his actual resume. He is a developer. He's currently working at Microsoft, or was working at Microsoft, which explains why he's probably in Seattle area. And as you can see, looking good, complete. And it even lets you know similar candidates you have, so it matches, so like an AI of sorts. So that's all goodness. Of course, you can have other people have access to this. You got an email capability, and you can download all of your databases from the drive, all of them at once. You can even go ahead and upload more. You can do resumes to Excel. You can take a resume and have it nice little spreadsheet into Excel, which is really kind of cool. Really a cool little tool. Now, they have obviously free and paid, so let's look at that real quick so you can see what we got here. So the basic, which is what I'm on, unlimited resume uploads, free advanced resume parsing. You get all this stuff for free. You are limited to 25 web resumes a pop. For $24 a month, you get all of this except it's unlimited. Everything is unlimited. So even the uploads, everything is unlimited. Bulky layout, campaigns, all that's unlimited. For 30 a month, you get all of the standard features, but you also get a few extra things: IP address restrictions, custom departments, that stuff. And then the enterprise gives you even more stuff. For me, you know what? I'm happy. The basic works for me really, really, really well. Not to say I wouldn't do others. You can do searches with it and save them. You can do all sorts of neat stuff. So I'm actually kind of happy. 2418 is a good number. So I'm happy. And I only started uploading this today. So, I mean, I'm still uploading. I got boatloads of resumes to upload. So, anyway, long story. Good little tool, free, paid, either way to go, reasonable. This is Dean DeCosta, and we were talking the resume database called Tobu.